Best and Advanced Background Remover in Canva. At first, open Canva and take a blank page. Go to Elements and search for people. Drag this image to Canvas. Now, select the photo and go to Edit Image. Find Magic Grab. After a few seconds, select the elements you want to grab and pick from the image. Now click Grab option and you will see the elements you have selected are separated from the main image. Now delete the background and select a different photo. Do the same with this photo and complete the image. Please subscribe this channel if you are a Canva lover.